if I divide by cos squared theta throughout, so that's what I'm going to do, cos squared theta, and then cos squared theta. Now, sine squared over cos squared, remember that sine over cos is equal to tan, right? Now, if we have sine squared over cos squared, that will give us tan squared, okay? So this is tan squared theta, and then cos squared theta over cos squared theta, obviously this will be 1, okay? And then we have 1 over cos squared theta. Now you'll recall that previously we said that 1 over cos theta is basically the reciprocal of cos theta, which will give us sec theta, like this. Now, if we have 1 over cos squared theta, then that will give us sec squared theta, okay? So this is the reciprocal of cos squared theta, and from here we have another beautiful identity, which is this one, okay? So this one states that sec squared theta minus tan squared theta gives us a value of 1, okay? So let's just write all our findings. So we have established that number 1, tan theta is equivalent or equal to sine theta over cos theta, okay? And then the all-important trig identity is the square one. Let's say sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. This guy is equal to 1. And then this one, it gives birth to all sorts of identities. The first one being the fact that sine squared theta is 1 minus cos squared of theta. The other one being the fact that cos squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta. And then the other one will be the fact that cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta. This will give us 1. And then last but not least is the one that states that cot squared theta, it's not cot squared theta actually, it is sec squared theta. So it's sec squared theta minus tan squared theta. This is equal to 1. Let me just double check that one. Okay, so I got it right. Okay, cool. So these are the identities that...
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next